Hello everyone, if you're facing this error ISDone.dll, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your computer. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search for Visual Studio AIO. Just click onto this link from Tech Power Up, download this software up, select any server, just wait for it to complete downloading, and once it's done downloading, open it up and then extract all of these files to any way you want. So I'll extract it in my downloads for now and then go to that folder, click on this install all.bat file and open it up, and then it will start installing all of these runtime packages on your computer. So just wait for it to do its thing. It can take a couple of minutes. So I already have the runtime packages installed on my computer. So I'm going to close this menu up. But after it's done installing all of those runtime packages, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, now when you go ahead, install your game or do whatever, you'll see that you won't get that ISDone.dll error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.